ABCD!
Welcome to Film Revival. Today we're going to cover wrestling photography. So strap in, little man. Focus and angles. Your focus is that ring, and you're going to have to get the right angle to be able to capture that right moment when there is a nice pop or a good move, or when somebody looks like they just got hit with a wallop of a move. Anticipation. In wrestling, it's about the anticipation of when a move hits, or when it lands, or how the wrestler reacts being hit by the move. That is the key of a good wrestling shot. Wrestling action. You're in there shooting the action, and you're going to be capturing when somebody gets suplexed, slammed, punch, kick, put in a hold that causes them excruciating pain. You're going to be there to make sure that that is documented. You want to be able to see their faces and the reaction of what's happening to them. That's what sells the match. Being able to see the action clearly. Story time. So Andrew Cass and Kakaman are going at it. They're getting kicked, thrown, punched, booted in the head, you name it. They're going at it, back and forth, back and forth. But in the end, there's only going to be one winner. And unfortunately, that was Kakaman. You can tell Andrew was not happy with the loss. He's upset. All right, now we have Prince Gabriel versus Leon Akuza. He's getting put in a submission. Oh no, what is this? Somebody, oh my God, it's Boyce LeGrand demanding the next title shot. And he is not gonna take no for an answer. He beats up Leon so bad that the back has to clear out and take him to the back to help him get back to his fighting shape. Now we have Boyce doing work on Ezra's leg and even doing the unthinkable, cutting the man's hair off. Ridiculous. Now we have the owner Maynard trying to keep them separated. Now the guys in the back have to help Ezra to the back because he can't get up. We have Downtown with his minion, Wildcard, versus Andrew Cass. Andrew Cass is a rookie. He's been grinding it out. He hasn't won a match yet. He's going back at it, back and forth, taking bumps, getting kicked, getting slammed. All of a sudden, something magical happens. Andrew Cass gets his first win. Look, his family's there pointing at Downtown going, ha ha, you lost.
I hope you enjoyed the video, because I did. So I need you to subscribe, to leave a like, put a comment below. If not, I will come and find you, and you won't like that. You won't like that. Tu sam niektóry są długo nieuczępliwie. Powylalu, a ja opytam się na kolenach. Będę ruki tak, ale was tylko nie widzę. Chwilę plecy, ale wysypam.